Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, we'll be comparing three of the top online meeting platforms: Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. We'll go over their pros, cons, and help you decide which one is the best suited for your needs. So now, let's dive right in. So now let's start with Zoom, which has become super popular over the last few years. It's known for its easy to use interface and versatility. Whether you're hosting a business meeting, a webinar, or a virtual family gathering, Zoom can handle it all. Now for its pros, number one would be its free plan. It offers meetings up to 100 participants. And then number two would be its breakout rooms, which allows smaller group discussions within a larger meeting. And then number three, you can record your meetings and download them after the session, which is especially useful for webinars and training sessions. However, Zoom's free plan has a time limit of 40 minutes, which can be restrictive. If you need longer sessions, you'd need to upgrade to a paid plan. So for its cons, what I can say is number one is the 40-minute time limit on free meetings. And then next is the occasional security concerns have been raised, though Zoom has made an effort to improve this. Next, we have Microsoft Teams. If you're already using Microsoft 365, Teams seamlessly integrates with all of your Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, and Outlook. This makes it a great choice for businesses already tied to the Microsoft ecosystem. And for the pros is number one, its integration with the entire Microsoft 365 suite. And number two would be it offers up to 300 participants on its free plan. And then number three would be it includes sharing, collaboration tools, and even a chat feature all in one platform. What sets Teams apart is its collaborative features. You can work on documents within the app while still in a meeting, which makes it ideal for project-based teams. And for the cons, it can feel a bit complex if you're not familiar with Microsoft 365, and the user interface isn't as straightforward as Zoom's, which could be a learning curve for new users. Finally, let's talk about Google Meet. As part of the Google Workspace, it's a simple and user-friendly platform, perfect for quick meetings and casual users. Since most people already have a Google account, getting started is a breeze. Now for the pros, number one is its free plan. It allows meetings for up to 100 participants for up to 60 minutes. And number two, it integrates smoothly with Google Calendar and other Google apps. And number three, it offers live captions during meetings, which is great for accessibility. One downside, however, is that it lacks some of the advanced features that Zoom and Teams offer, like breakout rooms and in-app document collaboration. And now for the cons, number one is it has fewer advanced features compared to Zoom and Teams. And number two would be it's limited to 60-minute meetings on the free plan. So now, which platform is the best? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you need a simple, quick meetings and are already in the Google ecosystem, Google Meet is definitely a solid choice. But if you are part of a team that needs collaborative tools and works heavily with Microsoft products, then Microsoft Teams is the way to go. And now, if you want versatility, breakout rooms, and the ability to record meetings easily, Zoom remains the popular choice for good reason. And that wraps up our comparison. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide which meeting platform is the best for you.